This is our bioreactor. Here at Instar 1.0, we use transgenic Drosophila melanogaster, or whole fruit flies, for custom protein manufacturing. These fruit flies express the client's protein of interest. Once expression is confirmed at the R&D stage, we scale up biomass for manufacturing, from vials to production cages. Because our bioreactor conditions are identical at all scales, from R&D to commercial production, we eliminate translation losses. What you see at the bench is exactly what you get at scale. Once the desired scale is reached, we harvest biomass, which is then frozen in bags to preserve the protein in its native state. This allows for on-demand manufacturing. We only process what you need when you need it.
At the core of our novel biomanufacturing platform is our commitment to quality.
Our downstream process is fully compatible with industry-standard chromatography methods. We've demonstrated lot-to-lot consistency over hundreds of runs with many different protein types. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, such as purity, biological activity, and endotoxins, to ensure it meets the quality standards set by our clients. Our quality management system is built to scale with the development stage of our clients. Manufacturing with the EntoEngine means scaling with predictive certainty at every stage.